Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I will be showing a continuation of our ArcGIS Pro interface for beginners. In previous videos, I've shown, explained the interface for project, then also for map. And in this video, I'll be doing the same for insert. So let's get in right on the video. So in the inside, it's you can see we have the project, the knowledge, the layer template, then the link analysis, measurement and style, and even favorite. So a quick rundown. This is the place that you come when you've made the map, in most cases, and then now you want to. There's a lot of things you could do here, but it's also where you've made the map, and then now you want to kind of um, make it much more in a way that you can be able to include some parameters like legend and scale. So this is one of the places that you probably do that by going to the layer. By hitting the layer, it creates and gives you the opportunity to do that. But first here, you have a new map. If you want to add a map, we already have a map here. You want to add another map, you could hit on that and it creates a new map that you would want to work on something different. Now you have a two map layer. You could choose, for instance, so if I hit on that, it gives me another map. So I could work on this and I could also work on this. So that's what you could do with that. And the layer gives you the opportunity to select from a whole lot of layer depending on the size of the map and a lot of other things, and then you can select. And then if you've watched, you could also go to check out my previous video about how to make a map, and then that's how you could select one of these and continue working with them. And then for the new report, you could also import or create a new report, and also use a customized template. Then we have here presentations. If you want to make a presentation, and the new note, and then also these are like toolbars. It also lets you to do some of the job processing toolbars you can add, and you could also make a new one. And this is also to import maps, and you can also use this to also import layout if you have one, or you could also select from a customized one already. And this is also the tags. I haven't quite really used the tags, but then for the connection is, let's say you're working, and then let's say an institution, and they have a geodatabase that they all you know go and get files from, or they have all the files together. You can use the geodatabase or any other of these servers that works for you. Then you could use the geodatabase. You can new file geodatabase or any other mobile one, and then navigate and all that. Then also in geodatabase, add data. Oh, also in the geodatabase, you could also add new file database, and then kind of help you navigate to a particular place. If it's already existing, it makes it easier for you to navigate. If it's not, then you might want to create one. Then you could also add a folder if it's like a data set that came with a folder, and you don't want to separate it, but you have the whole folder. You want the whole folder to in to display in your catalog. You could also import as a folder. Then new investigation. I don't New investigation is also something that I would also have to look into in subsequent videos. But hitting on that, So hitting on that shows knowledge graphs are not supported in ArcGIS online. It's what it's worth checking out, guys. Hopefully. Then the layer template. It's also here you have like the scale bars and then the text of the map. And even when you're hidden, there's a whole lot of other things here to explore. And but these other ones, you could create a point, a line, and a polygon template out of it. Hitting the point would give you a point, and you can try to hit edit, and then make more points from there. And yes, so same thing with the scale, and you could always um additionally you could also create a link chart to visualize relationship and entities. With this link chart, you could add a first one and then you make a point, and then over time you tend to visualize their relationship with more than 1 point notes. You could tend to visualize the relationship between those points. And if anyone needs like an extensive video on some of those, you could just let me know, and then I would make an extensive videos. But this is more like an overview for if someone is just trying to start up, or how do I I want to learn ArcGIS Pro. Can someone explain the whole what this could do and all that, the whole interface? This is the video for that. So that's the major core of the video, and not just to go into the whole nitty-gritty of the whole thing. It's just to give you an overview of what is possible. And we have the distance and direction here, and the distance and direction offers you the opportunity to you could be able to calculate distance from one place to another. Let's say I want to calculate the distance from any point, any place in the university, um to, let's say, somewhere like the oh my oh yeah, so somewhere like Bradford Beach. And you can always create point, distance, and bear. You can always like create point from one place and then to another. So that could help you with the distance from one point to another. You could also do a whole lot of other things here. You can change the degrees and all that, and then the time. You can also do distance and bearing. And you can see here we have like the ring, and then we have like a whole lot of other things that you could work with here, depending on what you're trying to do. But this can help you calculate distances across places. And so I'm gonna close that too and go back. And we have like the add. You can add it style if you want, and keeps changing. Then you can add a new style. Also, uh, you can import one. And then what is also nice is that if you get to save anything on, like add anything on your favorite, you could also come here and view. You can add items from here. So you can add a folder like this. So if these items, some of these are like listed in your in your favorite, they just automatically shows up here. So you can add a folder not just from here but here too. You can also do the database here, and then as well as the toolboxes, you can add a new one. And then so that is how that is it on the insert interface. I hope this video show you or gives you a little bit of glimpse of the insert interface in ArcGIS Pro. Do have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking to you more about the analysis interface. Bye.